सैया इश्क में
शब गाया है विच इज़ सैया तेरे हवाले, केसरिया तुम क्या मिले और एक प्यार का नगमा है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।
क्योंकि मुझे एक एक्सपोजर मिला कि मेरे को अपने बोलने का रखने का चांस मिला।
So my name is Arsha Uja. I came from Dubai and I'm from India. So in a TEDx speech, I talked about how small steps can lead to big changes.
Shasvi, and I'm a TEDx speaker today, and everything here is so well managed.
Gurugram Doubletree by Hilton Ted, ex-Greenfield. Youth was a great event. Many speakers shared their talent experiences on the stage. The main objective of the program is to promote children's confidence and creativity. Children spread the magic of their voice and personality on the stage of TEDx, while some authors launched books. Let us tell you that such events are very inspiring for children. It enhances their personality and increases their confidence. TEDx founder Priyanka Bal said, "Our aim is to help children recognize their hidden talent and provide them a platform with confidence." India idol Adya Mishra made the show even more beautiful with her voice. Watch this report.
जी मेरा नाम प्रियंका बहल है. I'm a TEDx organizer and today it was a community initiative. We had speakers coming out from 17 countries bringing their ideas that are going to add value to the community. There were around 28 speakers. They all were different part of the world. Some flew from Dubai, Singapore, Thailand. Some flew from the eastern countries. Some flew from Africa. And the best thing was they all had an idea that was worth spreading. And TED is a forum for such ideas. She was 5 years old. Yeah, 5 years old, the youngest one. So community में value add करना चाहती हूँ, and this is my way of doing it. So that's it.
So I'm Khushbu Sharma. I'm part of the TEDx team in the core team. So I would just like to say that this event is all about bringing a change, bringing an impact. These children have so many new ideas, so many creative ideas. They ignite change. They talk about new things, bringing and creating new ideas. They inspire us to think differently. So TEDx is all about that.
Hello everyone, my name is Gerard and all I know about TED is like this is my first time in TEDx. Before I was in TED and it's a really big difference since TEDx is way like everyone shares their thoughts to improve the world.
Hello everyone, I am Agrima and I am an author, panelist and a TEDx speaker. Today I am here at the TEDx Greenfield Youth event. Well, this event is flourishing with people with wisdom and knowledge. The service is great and everything about this event is amazing. I am very honored to be able to speak at this event. Thank you.
Hello, I am Yashasvi, and I'm a TEDx speaker today, and everything here is so well managed. Everyone, I mean, there are so many in-house games. Even my sister is playing. They're having so much fun. And special thanks to Priyanka ma'am for letting me come here for this opportunity. I'm really thankful for her.
Myself डॉक्टर जगदीश सखिया, मैं डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हूँ. आज वो TEDx जो ग्रीनफील्ड यूथ में मेरा आज लेक्चर था और यहाँ जो होस्ट जो हमारी है मिसेस प्रियंका बहल, तो उसने हमारे जो पूरा जो डे वन सुबह से शाम तक का जो हमारा पूरा प्रोग्राम है, पूरे बच्चे को एनकरेज करके जो उसने टेड टॉक दिएगा. आज तक मैंने काफ़ी टेड टॉक अटेंड किया है. ये इट इज़ अ फर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ टेड टॉक था जिसमें बच्चे भी 6 साल से लेके 12 साल का भी बच्चे है. तो आई थिंक हेड्स ऑफ द प्रियंका मैडम, क्योंकि ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइज करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है बच्चों के लिए.
हेलो नमस्ते, मेरा नाम आद्या मिश्रा है और आपने मुझे इंडियन आइडल सीज़न 14 में देखा होगा. मैं उसकी फाइनलिस्ट थी और मैंने बहुत सारे गाने भी गाए हैं. तो एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी
Hi everyone, I am Parth Kalra and today I'm here as the organization team of TEDx Greenfield Youth, and I have to first of all thank the whole organization for thinking me of capable and giving me this opportunity to organize this, and hope this event brought to all of us, because it has brought to me a lot of new ideas, a new ways to think at just normal things, and a lot of reflections in my life. So I hope when you see these videos coming live, you are going to have a life-changing moment. Thank you.
मेरा नाम लिव्या खुराना है और मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके, क्योंकि मुझे एक एक्सपोजर मिला कि मेरे को अपने बोलने का रखने का चांस मिला, इसलिए। और मैं यहाँ पर प्रियंका मैम के थ्रू आई हूँ, वो मेरी मेंटर है और उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया। उनके साथ साथ मेरे पेरेंट्स ने भी मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी, और आज मैंने हार्ड वर्क के बारे में बोला, जिससे मतलब मैं खुद भी रिलेट कर पाई और मैं लोगों को बता भी।
Hello, my name is Sia. I am from Bhayandar, Mumbai, West Thane. I have done a dance here, and thanks to Priyanka ma'am, because she is taking my classes, and today in evening I am going to perform a TEDx speech also. She has motivated me to do everything, book writing, book publishment. Thank you.
So my name is Arsha Uja. I came from Dubai and I'm from India, and I speak Hindi. So in my TEDx speech, I talked about how small steps lead to big changes. And for example, I was talking about Novak Djokovic, a famous tennis player, and Miss Pearl ma'am taught me TEDx.
Thank you. My name is Samvedna, and I have come here on this event of TEDx Greenfield Youth just to hear about the ideas, the presentation of kids, and it was really amazing to see how they are speaking about their ideas, the topics they have chosen to speak on, and this was really great to be here. And another reason to be here is to launch my first journal. This is about environment and self-awareness. I have shared my book. The idea was given by Priyanka Bahal. She told me to write up the things you have in your mind for the self-awareness, for self-realization, and the environment you are working for, that should be penned down, that should be shared with each other people also. So the idea of this journal is basically to involve the professionals, parents, kids.
Hi, myself is Sneha, और मैं टेड के कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट लेने नहीं आई थी, एज अ फैमिली मेम्बर मैं आई हूँ। और इन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि मैं सॉन्ग सिंग करूँ, तो मैंने एक गाना गाया, सबको बहुत पसंद आया और मुझे भी काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि मैं गाना गा सकती हूँ स्टेज पर भी। तो काफ़ी अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, इससे आपके अंदर जो हेजिटेशन है वो रिमूव होता है, सबसे बड़ी बात, और आपको आगे आने की और पार्टिसिपेट करने की, स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस करने की हिम्मत मिलती है। पीड़ा नू मैं सीने लावा ते मैं हसदी जावा, हो पीड़ा नू मैं सीने लावा ते मैं हसदी जावा, धुप्पा दे नाल लड़ लड़ के मैं लभियां अपनी असां, दुख भी अपने सुख भी अपने की करा हुण जाना, सब नू समझ के की करना है, दिलों है समझावा, तू झूम 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 झूम, हो तू झूम 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 झूम।
Hi everyone, my name is Anushka and I am a TEDx speaker at TEDx Greenfield Youth here in Gurgaon. I was invited by Priyanka Bahal. She is an incredible human, a mentor for me, and I talked about how you can create your own blueprint for change. So if any one of you is looking to become a change maker and make a positive impact in the society, you can obviously watch the TED Talk. But thank you so much for this opportunity, and I hope more of you get inspired to make a difference in your communities.
So hello everyone, my name is Gunisha and I'm 9 years old. I am in 4th grade. मेरी आज स्पीच थी और वो थी कैन क्रिएटिविटी सेव द वर्ल्ड के बारे में। ये ब्रीफ अगर मैं बताऊं तो ऐसा टॉपिक था जिसमें हम लोग जो सबसे बड़ा जो रिसोर्स होता है ना, सोर्स होता है डिकम्पोजिंग इन द सॉइल का, वो होता है प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स एंड बैग्स। तो उन्हें हम लोग रिसाइकल कर कर कुछ न्यू बना सकते हैं, स्पेशली यूजिंग क्रिएटिविटी। तो वही था मेरे टॉपिक।
Myself Jainul Ali from Wesley Food Private Limited, and especially initially I would like to give the very much thanks to Greenfield Youth speakers. It's a very good platforms for new generations. And secondly, I'm here with just Wesley Food Private Limited, and we belongs to the completely vegan-oriented products. Like it's, you can say, the plant-based, and where you can feel the non-veg texture in veg.
My name is Vijay Agarwal, the CEO and founder of Makoos Group of Schools. Today I actually participated in the TEDx. It was exceptionally well. The organizer have actually organized the event so well that I think it was a very, very good session. A lot of participants have actually shared their informations and their ethos and what they feel about the various subjects. Even the kids which have presented as exceptionally well. And I see India's good future, keeping see these small kids and bigger kids and the bigger audience. So it was wonderfully crafted and drafted. Thank you so much.